Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that the microphone works pretty good, video quality is decent, I am ready and confident to do this consistently, but I don't get any views, maybe the occasional bot. So let's do some research on how to get some humans in the chat. Okay, so I am very lucky to have a current audience. Thank you so much to all 2,735 subscribers for sticking with me throughout the years. I thought about putting something here under this live tab, but according to this quick Google AI overview, it's better to have an edited VOD uploaded there instead of going live on both. Let's try to set that up. Here's my test video down here. So I had to go up to creator dashboard, down over here under settings, stream. This was toggled off for me. So now that it's toggled on, it's gonna save all of my streams, and then under content, video producer, able to go down here and download for edit to upload on YouTube later. I still don't know what I wanna actually do on Twitch. I'm gonna play Zelda and we're gonna figure it out. Super fun playthrough walkthrough. The Twitch stream was about an hour. I pressed download here. The file ended up being about 3 gigabytes, and I have it in Davinci Resolve down over here. Gonna edit it, see what that looks like, and get it posted on YouTube. All done editing, got it down to 38 minutes. I try to cut out all the boring parts, but it is still pretty boring. I normally go create up here and click upload video, but for go live, I think we need to click that one, click through a couple of these, and I have to fill all this out. Let's try to get it uploaded. Good morning. It was getting late last night and I think my brain was just broken and I could not figure out how to upload and go live. It does not exist on YouTube. There is no function for that. So when I was clicking here, filling out this is to go live on YouTube. So what we can still do is we can stream the pre-recorded video in OBS that we already have. Let's set that up. It is working. We are live. It's been almost 17 minutes. I used the stream key from YouTube, went down here to OBS, pressed the plus button, add media source to play the video that we edited. I think for the next one, I want to figure out how to multi-stream so I could go live on YouTube and Twitch so I don't have to do all of this download, edit, re-upload. Still don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what the best strategy for all of this is. We're just going with the flow and whatever makes sense in this crazy brain. For now, video 342 done. Good Perry.